So I went to adjust my mirror and this happened. I guess the plastic finally sort of had it in there. Look at that. Alright, let's fix it. This is the afterwork garage. Okay, first thing we're going to do is grab this piece right here and pull. Alright, next we're going to undo this clip. And then we have 2 bolts. One with a clip retainer on it here. These are 10 mil bolts. Oh yeah, there's 2 more bolts here. Now I believe we can just pull it out, like so. There is a clip right there, but it's pretty weak and flimsy, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. Next thing we're going to do is grab our new aftermarket part here, and it looks like we need to change over the studs here, as well as this foam piece right here. So this may not be a complete grocery store parking lot job, but we'll see. I'll try not to rip this. So we're back from the grocery store parking lot here, and we can better see what we need to do. This is the old mirror. It's missing this plastic thing around the edge that came off when I tried to pull the mirror off without the other 2 bolts undone. But we need to transfer these 2 studs here and here into these holes, and it does not look like those holes are threaded. I peered in there with a light, so I think we're going to unscrew these and we're just going to screw them back into here. Unfortunately, I don't have a, I don't even know what you call one of these reverse Torx things, but I do have pliers, so I'm going to set you right here. Alright, there we are. It is. It's like an IKEA screw. Look at that. Alright, fortunately not too many screws to get those guys out. Alright, way easier than I thought. Alright, once you get those first threads started, I'm just grabbing this outside collar because it's a wider diameter. Give me a little more leverage. Run this guy down. Next is transferring this vapor barrier thing, and this should hopefully be pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to kind of set it on there, see how it wants to be. Okay, so there is, okay, yeah, this is that little thing that broke off of the other mirror, and it's on here. That clicks in, little stud down here, and that looks on. Alright, now let's just put it back on the truck. I think this clip's going to be good for installation because I can just kind of rest it here in the right spot. Okay, so I just rested it there. That clip's holding it in place. Just go ahead and get these nuts started. And then we have these bolts. Sorry about the lighting. We're in the lovely apartment complex parking garage. You'll see these better in 1 second. And there we are. Get these bolts tightened down. Next is the cable. Just snaps right in. There we are. Then we have this piece, which these clips should just pop into the holes. And we're done. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the Afterwork Garage.